Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to this incredible Red Rock Canyon. We are out on a backpacking trip, and in this video, I'm gonna show you every single thing that I eat today. First off, of course, is breakfast. I brought in some homemade oatmeal. And all I did was put quick cooking oats, cocoa powder, freeze-dried bananas, walnuts in here, and I'm gonna add hot water, and that's it. It's really, really easy at camp and really filling. Boom. Nick's making coffee. For snack number one, I'm having this Power Crunch bar in the French vanilla cream flavor. I am obsessed with these bars. I brought a bunch of them on this trip. They're just super lightweight, high in protein, and I think they taste really good. So we are stopping for lunch, and what I'm gonna have is a packet of olives, a packet of this salmon. This is an Italian herb salmon by Safe Catch. So I usually do the tuna, but I'm switching it up today. And then I have 2 things of cheese. I have a cheddar and a mozzarella string cheese, and these everything cheddar crackers. Never had them before. And then Nick and I are also gonna have some salami. Buying the unsliced kind is best for backpacking because it will keep a lot better, and then you just slice it up as you need it, and it's so good. And then this is the view. These are the olives. They're so salty. Salami and cheese. It's a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. You're gonna love this. It's so crunchy, and obviously I love cheese, so it is good. Oh man, try that. I'm actually not gonna have this string cheese now because I'm pretty full after everything else, so I'll just save this for later. Snack number 2 after lunch here is the string cheese, and we gotta keep moving. Almost at camp, so I'm gonna probably maybe have another snack there before dinner, but I'm just gonna keep it light with this one. I love string cheese. Obsessed with it. We're still on the move. I'm gonna have a lemon Lara bar as another snack. This is my favorite flavor of Lara bars, the lemon ones. So good.
Can you tell your viewers that Nick's eating a fatty?
You just told them. Nick's eating a fatty. You hold it now. What are you doing up there?
Chewing. Take a shot of this. Ooh.
He's... Where are you going? You can't escape. Woo! Oh. So we finally got to our campsite for the night. I'm gonna have a little bit of homemade trail mix. This is a fruity one. I have a video on some homemade trail mix recipes, so I'll link to those below because this one is really good. It's from that video, and it just has some apricots, yogurt covered raisins, cashews, the flies are all around, bananas, mango. So I'm gonna have a little bit of this before dinner. And yes, I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. No. For dinner, I'm having Indian food, which I am looking forward to. This is a everyday dal, greens, split peas, spinach, and coconut, and then there's a bunch of rice in here too. So it should be really filling and salty, and that's just what I want right now. So all I have to do at camp is just add hot water to it. So I already boiled some water here. So this is the before water. Mix this up. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, and then I just let this sit for about 15 minutes and that's all. So this is after about 10 minutes. That is it for what I ate today in the backcountry. I'm basically gonna finish my dinner right now and then get in the tent because it's just been one of those long hiking days, and then I'm gonna get up and do it all again tomorrow. If you guys wanna know more about this trip that I'm on, I actually made a vlog all about it, so I will link that in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos here. I have tons of what I eat in a day backpacking videos from all the trips I've been on lately. So I hope you guys like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.